In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paraphrase with ChatGPT quickly and effectively, even if you're starting with a paragraph, a sentence, or a full block of content. This is a super useful skill if you want to simplify writing, avoid repetition, improve clarity, or change the tone of your text without losing the original meaning. Whether you're a student, creator, freelancer, or business owner, this method can save you a lot of time. If this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the chat screen, the next step is to paste the text you want to paraphrase. This could be a paragraph from an article, a sentence from an email, content from a document, or even a caption you want rewritten. The key here is to start with text that already has the meaning you want to keep. Now, in the message box, type a simple prompt. A great starting prompt is, "Paraphrase this in simple words." Then paste your text underneath or right after the prompt and send it to ChatGPT. In most cases, ChatGPT will rewrite the content in a clearer, more natural way while keeping the original idea intact. If the result is close but not exactly what you want, that's where the real power comes in. You can customize the output by adding follow-up instructions. For example, if you want a cleaner version, type "make it shorter." If you need it for business or school, you can say "make it more professional." And if you want to match a specific audience or purpose, try "change the tone to formal" or "change the tone to informal." You can also combine these instructions for even better results. For example, you might say, "Paraphrase this in simple words, make it shorter, and keep it professional." That gives ChatGPT a much clearer direction and usually leads to a better rewrite. Another helpful tip is to be specific about your goal. If you want the paraphrase for a blog, email, social media post, or assignment, mention that in your prompt. The more context you give, the better the output will be. For example, you could say, "Paraphrase this for a professional email," or "Paraphrase this for a social media caption." If you don't like the first result, don't worry. Just ask ChatGPT to try again using slightly different instructions. You can say things like, "Make it more conversational," "avoid repeating the same words," or "keep the meaning exactly the same." This back-and-forth process helps you get the style you want much faster. One of the best things about using ChatGPT for paraphrasing is that you can tailor the text to different situations in seconds. You can make it easier to read, more polished, more persuasive, or more casual, depending on your needs. That makes it a great tool for writing, editing, and content creation. So to quickly recap, open ChatGPT, paste your text, type a prompt like "paraphrase this in simple words," and then refine the result with instructions like "make it shorter," "make it more professional," or "change the tone to formal or informal." It's simple, fast, and very effective. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, AI workflows, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.